Hello guys, welcome to weekly outlook here on gold, the pound USD, USDCAD, and of course the DXY. And basically for the week, let's just quickly look at it. Over here on gold, my anticipation is, as you can see from last week, we had a major consolidation from these regions here. Okay, so basically I'm just looking for a breakout. Honestly, I'm just looking for a breakout here from these regions here. Okay, if we break above these regions, retest, I'll be going for buys, and if we break below here, I'll be going for shorts. That be it, we could actually get maybe a fake out to these regions and then still go to the upside, or my perfect confidence to sell gold is a break of these regions which is the regions of 1950. Okay, for now I think my bias is actually very much bullish. The reason is because let's quickly look at DXY. Over here on the DXY, my anticipation is we've seen a major beautiful downtrend, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. We've seen price not make a new break above this lower high here, so we're still retesting these regions. Possibly again for a new confluence is 1, 2, 3, and the fourth one here. So my anticipation is for a drop, but we can't give the market 100%, right? So basically we might actually see a breakout of this region. So until that happens, which is until price breaks above these regions, then we might actually say, okay, the DXY is strong, and if the DXY is strong, then we might anticipate a very strong bullish bearish trend here on gold. Back on DXY, my major anticipation here on DXY is for continuous to the downside, like bearish movement, right? If we click on the 1 hour time frame, we might just see maybe a quick retest to these regions here of 101.92, maybe to just pick up orders around that region, giving us a Fibonacci retracement pullback over here. 50% 61.8, just create a structure here, and then we'll continue to the downside majorly. I'll be watching out for that to see what happens around this region, but for now I think we might actually continue to the downside here on DXY. And if that happens, let's quickly look at USDCAD. Beautiful structure here. Sorry about that. So beautiful structure here. We've seen price go over to these regions and then created a new low, pick up orders around these regions, came back here for a pullback. I was actually looking for shorts around these regions, but with possible anticipation that price might actually retest the regions of 136.41, 136.40 actually. So if we pull up our Fibonacci retracement tool from around this region, you can see 51.8, 61.50%, 61.8 region being retested. Quickly into these regions, a very strong regions here. Something for us to watch out for, a very good bias confluence here. Boom. 1, 2, 3. What am I anticipating? Continues to the downside. Continuation to the downside here is my basic anticipation, but we can see price as a strong support. Nevertheless, this we can actually make a few buy signals from these regions and maybe retest, on the lower time frame pullback over here. Lower time frame pullback to these regions, we have 56.1.8. We could actually just anticipate price to come back to these regions here to pick up orders, and then we could break down below. All right, we could actually have in mind that price can actually come back to break these regions of 136.41, 136.40. That happens, it's okay. If we break above that region, then we'll be looking for continuation to the upside. If that happens, that means that the DXY most probably have broken above these regions. For that reason, if price continues to the downside here, then boom, we'll be anticipating USDCAD to continue to the downside. But my anticipation for DXY from this region is to pull back a little bit to this region to pick up orders, right? If that happens, it means that the USDCAD will pull back to this region a little bit to pick up orders, and then we'll roll, right to the downside. Yes, right to the downside. So basically that's my anticipation for USDCAD. If price breaks below 135.40, that's about 100 pips from these regions where it made the first move, then we'll be anticipating price to actually retest 1.3480, 1.3420, and basically retesting the lows it created at 1.33. Yeah, so basically that's that on USDCAD. Pretty much excited for this one. Finally, here on USDCAD, pound USD, we've seen price actually create, it was messy around this region until on Friday we had a break of structure breaking above 135.41 that it created the previous week. And now what I'm looking out for is for basic movement to actually come back here for a pickup of orders, and then we'll continue to the upside. This is what I'm looking for. Pretty simple, like this. Boop. Oh, sorry. We pull back to these regions here. Boom, and we'll continue to the upside. This is what I'm anticipating here on pound USD. A little pullback to these regions to pick up orders, and we could actually retest 1.26. So that's that for the week. Very much excited for the week, for the opportunities we'll have. Basically, nevertheless, the market can be crazy. Nothing much. We could actually even see maybe, what's that? Price might actually just come back into that region, create a head and shoulder patterns, and start rolling down. We can't rule that out. But for now, I'm very much anticipating price to actually retest these regions and continue to the upside. So let's look out for how opportunities play out today. Today is Monday. We just currently to the Asian sessions, and let's see how price will play out. My best setups are pound USD, the USDCAD, basically. Let's see how this week will play out, guys, and I'll see you guys on Friday for the recap. Make sure you enjoy your week. Ciao.